Welcome to our video about navigating a B1/B2 visa rejection. Applying for a B1/B2 visa, whether for business or tourism, can be a challenging and complex endeavor. Rejections can feel discouraging, but it's important to understand what went wrong in your application to improve the chances of success in the future. In this video, we will cover the following topics. First, we'll discuss if you can apply from a third country. Then, we'll look at factors influencing visa decisions. Next, we'll identify common reasons for visa rejection. Lastly, we'll provide steps on what to do if your visa is rejected. It is possible to apply for a B1/B2 visa from a country where you are a legal resident, even if it's not your country of origin. However, it's important to note that this does not guarantee approval. The consulate will assess your ties to the country you are applying from, your intentions, and your overall profile. Several factors influence visa decisions. First, showing strong ties to your current residence is essential. This includes evidence of employment, property ownership, family relationships, and financial stability. The consular officer also assesses your intent to return to your country of residence after your U.S. visit. Your family situation can raise questions. For instance, if your family has weak ties or plans to move elsewhere. Financial stability is crucial, as it demonstrates that you can support your trip without the risk of overstaying. Lastly, having future plans like pursuing citizenship can strengthen your appeal. Common reasons for visa rejection include insufficient ties to your country of residence, meaning the consular officer believes you don't have compelling reasons to return after visiting the U.S. Unclear intentions might arise if the officer isn't convinced about your stated purpose for visiting or suspects you might intend to overstay your visa. Now let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. What is a common reason for a B1/B2 visa rejection? Is it strong family ties, insufficient ties, or clear intentions to return? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the correct answer in the next section. The correct answer is insufficient ties. Insufficient ties often lead to visa application rejections, as consular officers might be convinced that you don't have compelling reasons to return to your country of residence. If your visa is rejected, it's crucial to understand the reasons behind the decision. You should ask the consular officer for specific details about your rejection, although they may not always provide a detailed explanation. Next, gather more evidence to strengthen your case. This could include better documentation of your ties to your residence. You may also choose to reapply for the visa, addressing the previous concerns more thoroughly. Finally, consider exploring alternatives like traveling under a visa waiver program, if applicable. But remember, past denials can affect eligibility for such programs. Applying for a B1/B2 visa from a third country is possible, but success depends largely on the strength of your applications. Ensure that you can prove the genuine nature of your visit to the U.S. and your commitment to returning to your country of residence afterward. Focus on addressing any potential doubts the consular officer might have about your ties to your residence, travel plans, and overall profile. Thank you for joining us in this video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts or experience about visa applications in the comments below. See you next time.